Hey guys, welcome back to another video. It's me, your girl Brianna, and I'm back with another hair tutorial, y'all. So I'm filling this color on me, and y'all, this beautiful wig is really wild. This wig is wild. It's from Tinashe hair, and this wig, y'all, is a brown wig. Let me show y'all this lace. I tried to do like a sad. I was gonna do a swoop, but I'm not even gonna do it. Playing around. Even though it came in a curl pattern, I decided to go bone straight because it goes with the look that I'm wearing. All specs to this wig will be in the description right below. So if you are looking to see what this wig is, how long it is, it will be definitely in the description right below, so you should go check it out. And while you're checking that out, don't forget to go click the link to the website to go check out Tinashe hair. Yeah. So yeah, y'all. If y'all want to see how I installed this wig on my head, like always, I love doing laces now because I'm getting so much better, and I actually feel like I know exactly what to do when it comes to these laces. Baby, I'm gonna be a lace snatcher. Watch. If y'all want to see how I achieve this look, then please keep on watching.
The cut crease queen, yeah. You got what you need, yeah. You know what I mean, yeah. The go-to stylist, treat you like a diamond. Everything is love with
Alright, y'all, so let's get into this hair. Hey everybody, we are reviewing Tinashe hair, and what they send in this bag is a wig cap, a comb, a baby hair brush, a cap, and some lashes, y'all. Let's get into this wig though. So inside the wig, we have a 22-inch, 80% density, and this is how the wig came. So pretty. I was thinking of so many ways to put this wig, but I was like, you know what? Let me make it straight. Y'all see the curls, but I want to make a swoop. I want to make it straight and make it a swoop. But this lace though, bomb. Now y'all already know I went ahead off camera and bleached and plucked the lace in the front. Look at them hairs. Ooh, I don't know. I feel like, oh well, on this side right here, I feel like I plucked too much. Sometimes you can over pluck, like in the front, but it's okay. On my head, it looked perfectly fine, and I was in love. Okay, so I'm just parting my side part out. The part where I thought I was gonna have the swoop, because I thought I was gonna have a swoop bang, but my mama, she didn't come through for me and do it. So I had to do a side part. Baby, it's gonna be a straight swoop. Baby, that swoop was gonna be hit. But nonetheless, this side part was hidden too. So I'm just basically parting my hair, hot combing it, and then what I'm going to do is I'm going to pluck where I parted it at. So the part can be a little bit wider than it is now. And that's what I'm doing right now, is plucking. Maybe that's that move. Alright, y'all, so I'm putting this wig on just to see placement, just to see what's going on and how I like this wig. I love this color though. I never had this color in my hair before, and the color and also the length and everything that I just said will be in the description right below. This is like a brown color, and right now I'm sizing the size just to see where it's going to be cut off at from the ear tabs, and I want my ears to be out. So I'm just cutting on both sides, and I feel like this is a better method for me because when I cut myself, sometimes I have a hard time versus from when I ask my mom to cut it. But nonetheless, this is a perfect method to cut those ear tabs out. You just feel where the ear is and you just cut it halfway, then take it off your head and cut the remaining lace off. Now I'm taking this glue, same glue that I use. I've been using, I gotta get another bottle. But I'm just basically slapping three coats of glue on, and I want to lay this baby down. You're gonna only see me put one, but I did put three, and I'm basically lining where exactly I want my lace to sit. So basically right at the tip, if not at the tip, y'all know you'll cut excess lace off, but right at the tip, and you just smash it down to give that extra layage. Okay, so what I'm doing now is I'm taking my cream foundation and I am putting this onto that lace because the lace is a little bit, a lot too light for me. And then I go ahead and I basically mold everything in using this got to be glue. This is a high what's it, high hold or intense hold glue, and I just lay my band down to let it melt. I let it melt for some time. I didn't even send it to dry, I don't think. And if I did, I don't know why it came out white like that, but it's gonna dry clear, y'all. So trust the process. I'm cutting it off with some scissors, and I did go ahead and apply my band on again, but y'all not gonna see that part. But that's how I cut the lace off on both sides. Now see, I went ahead and did my makeup and everything else, and that is it, y'all. I pretty much just kept the sad part. Like I said, I was gonna add the swoop, but I didn't add the swoop to this hair, or I didn't curl it. I just hot combed and I flat ironed it because I didn't have no style in mind, and I didn't want to curl the hair because normally what I do is I curl the hair off my head and curl it on the camera. But look at that melt, y'all. Y'all see that melt? Look, snatched. Okay. And I could have went ahead and put some more foundation on the lace part, but I'm like, you know what? It's perfect. So I didn't go ahead and do that. And I'm just like visualizing myself like, oh, a swoop would have been so fine with this. But yeah, whatever. And I think that powder, or it's either a powder or the concealers made my highlight real bright. But I honestly think it probably is the powder, because when I normally put Sacha Buttercup on, Sacha Buttercup is more warm and it's yellow. That one was too bright. But yeah, anyways, back to the hair. I went ahead and just started flat ironing in my hair with my flat irons. That will be coming soon. But y'all, the way that it flat ironed, so good. Like, and when I touched the hair, it was smooth. Them flat irons get hot, baby. I'm telling you. You see the hot? You see the smoke coming out them flat irons? You see the hot? But yeah, y'all, I flat ironed this hair all the way through, y'all, and y'all just gonna continue to watch me flat iron because it's so redundant. And yeah, y'all, don't forget to go check out Tinashe hair in the description bar below. I will leave everything as far as the link to get the hair, and also the link to their store so that you can look and see what else you like to purchase. But yeah, and until then, I'll see y'all on my next video. Thank you guys so much for tuning into this tutorial. I hope that you enjoyed. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe. And don't forget to go check out Tinashe in the description bar below. And until then, I'll see you guys on my next hair tutorial.